Samsung's One UI 8 update for the Galaxy S25 series has taken an unexpected turn. Everyone thought the final version was about to release soon. But now, Samsung has added another beta version instead. This new version is called ZYG5 and it's creating some confusion. Instead of moving forward, Samsung has taken a small step back and even removed some features we thought were ready for launch. Just a few weeks ago, it looked like Samsung was almost done with the beta program. They released a build that didn't even have the word beta in its name. That version was called BYFB, and it was finished in June. Many users thought it would be the final version of One UI 8. It had all the important features working, like the new adaptive lock screen clock. That clock feature was one of the most talked about additions, and in BYFB, it finally works smoothly. But now things have changed. Samsung has uploaded a newer version ZYG5 which was completed in July. This one is clearly marked as a beta version, which means Samsung is still testing and not done yet. What's more surprising is that this version doesn't just tweak a few things or fix bugs, it removes features. Yes, the adaptive lock screen clock that was finally working in BYFB has been taken out in this new ZYG5 version. We don't know yet if ZYG5 will be released to public beta testers or if it's just for internal testing. But the fact that it's on Samsung's servers means they're still working on the update behind the scenes. This tells us that the final version of One UI 8 isn't ready yet, even though we thought it was just around the corner. Why would Samsung do this? There are a few possible reasons. Maybe the BYFB version had some problems that weren't obvious at first. Bugs might have been discovered, or maybe the new features weren't as stable as Samsung wanted. Sometimes, companies take a feature out, fix the issues, and then put it back in a future build. That might be the case here with the adaptive lock screen clock. Also, ZYG5 might not be the last beta version either. If more bugs show up or Samsung wants to make more changes, there could be another beta after this one. That means the final version of One UI 8 could still take some time before it's ready for everyone. For Galaxy S25 users who are waiting for the stable One UI 8 update, this is a bit disappointing. Everyone was hoping the update would come soon, but now we'll likely have to wait longer. Still, this delay shows that Samsung is being careful. They don't want to rush and release something that might have problems. Instead, they want to make sure everything works perfectly. The good news is, even though some features like the adaptive lock screen clock are missing in ZYG5, they're not gone forever. Samsung is just fixing things. These features are still expected to be included in the final version of One UI 8. So it's not a big loss, just a delay. For now, we don't have an exact release date for the final One UI 8 update. Samsung is still testing and improving things. Once they're confident that everything works properly, they'll release it to the public. If ZYG5 gets released to beta testers, it might give us more clues about what Samsung is working on. But don't expect big new features in this build. It seems more focused on fixing problems and improving what's already there. So if you're testing One UI 8 or just waiting for the update, hang tight. Things are moving slowly, but carefully. Samsung wants to get it right, and that's a good thing. We'll keep watching for any new updates. As soon as there's news about the next beta version or the final release, we'll let you know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest One UI updates and Samsung news.